Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the world's largest doghouse. So, one of the important things a doghouse needs is a door, and the dog owner of this building has a problem about opening the doors and not closing them back. So, I'm gonna put a doggy door in here for him. And what I've done is just put this up here and trace it out. I know I need to cut to the outside of the line for this to fit. Use the large half of the frame to mark it with. They give you a template you can tape on here, but it's a bigger pain in the butt to use than just using the piece, I think. So that's how I'm gonna do it anyway. So next step to do is to take the circular saw and try and cut this out and not butcher it too bad. So we'll see. There's nothing behind the door I should hit. Try and cut this halfway straight. a hole anyway. I don't know if that Bailey can fit through it, but we'll say that's a precision fit. Like a machinist did it or something. It's in, it appears to be decently square, and it latches back like it's supposed to. Can't push over or stuff behind it. We'll drill these holes in here and get the screws put in it. But probably not with this drill bit, it's too big. That's going to do it for this job. I guess the only thing left to do now is to be sure that the supervisor approves of it and that they can actually even use it, so that'll be interesting to see. Let me see if I can find him. Uh-oh, went through once anyway. You can do it. Come here. Come on. What do you think? Uh-oh, look at that. You did it. What are you waiting on? Well, that's going to conclude this job of getting the doggy door installed, and I got this cover that goes on it to keep critters out, so we got that too. Thanks for watching.